How to fix no internet secured error in Windows. 1. Update your drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Run internet connections troubleshooter. 3. Reset your connection. 4. Change your adapter. Settings by disabling Internet Protocol version 6, TCP/IPv6. 5. Remove and reinstalling network adapter. 6. Check your antivirus via Windows Clean Boot. Note, you may need to rid of existing antivirus tool and / or other problematic applications. 7. Make sure that required network features are enabled. They are, client for Microsoft Networks, file and printer sharing for Microsoft Networks, link layer topology discovery mapper IO driver, Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, reliable multicast protocol, Internet Protocol version 6, TCP/IPv6, link layer topology discovery responder. 8. Reset your network configuration. Commands include netshare winsock reset netshare int IP reset IP protocol configuration / release IP protocol configuration / renew IP protocol configuration / flushns 9. Enable the use random addresses for this network feature.